My name is Nova and I'm a sneaker reseller. Join me in my journey where I turn hype sneakers into riches. We do have another Jordan 1 released. Got one. Got two, baby, let's go. Got one. Today we do have a lot of releases again. Got one somehow, what the hell? And we also have ALD New Balances. If I could get more of those, that would be dope. Oh, I got one on Essence. Here we have the one and only box logo that I got. Not too long from now, I believe we have some Yeezys dropping. I'm not exactly 100% sure, but we're gonna find out how we do on these upcoming releases on the next episode. Yeezy 350 Naturals are going to be dropping real soon. 350 resale prices have just not been doing that well as far as the recent releases are concerned. Everybody is super hyped up the Carbons, everybody's super hyped up the Zions, and even smaller sizes aren't doing exactly the best. However, there are some good signs about the Naturals. Historically, colorways like these for 350s have been doing pretty good. For example, the Ishayas and the Lundmarks, especially for smaller sizes, and these are going to be way more limited than some of the previous Yeezy 350 releases. However, half of my setup is going to be somewhat experimental. I'm going to be using some bots that I've not used before, and I'm only going to go for smaller sizes, thus making it way more difficult for me. So I really wouldn't be surprised if I just end up with 0 pairs, and quite frankly I wouldn't care all that much either. I'm just trying out some things. Let's see how it works out.
Yeah.
Oh my god, I got one already? Ganesh? Let's go. I got one on Prism, but I got a size 12. I accidentally did random sizing. Hang on a second. That must be the wrong SKU or something. Hang on. I was moving at a decent pace, but I think I got screwed over with the capture there. Not quite sure how I got that wrong, to be honest. Either way, it doesn't look like too many people hit the sizes that I was going for, so whatever.
Waiting so long for a change, yeah. Better days come, I can sense it, yeah. I can see the end of the maze, yeah. Soon we make it out, yeah, make it out there. Soon we gotta change. Look at all the diamonds on my rings. Look at all the dots, wanna dance. Fuck it up, no, that making no sense. Lot of blessings, man, really a big thanks.
Oh, Polaris, what'd you get for me? 4.5? Okay. Whoa, I just got a bunch. What the hell? Okay. Whoa, hang on a second. Is that real, dude? That looks a little too good to be true. 9 checkouts on Tohru. What?
Soon we gotta change. Look at all the diamonds on my rings. Look at all the dots, wanna dance. Fuck it up, no, that making no sense.
Tohru just beat everybody. What the heck? I actually did not expect that. Okay, well, that's that. I kind of got a little bit more than I wanted to get, but I guess that's a good thing. And I accidentally copped 2 men's sizes, which is not the end of the world. Surely I'd still be able to make some profit from it, but otherwise it's a pretty decent release. Tohru absolutely shredded Yeezy supply. If I'm not mistaken, this was the very first proper drop that they had for their 1.0 beta, and it did really well. That's probably going to be my go-to bot from now on for Yeezy supply.
Look at all the diamonds on my rings. Look at all the dots wanna dance.
We got some Yeezys in from Yeezy Supply. Let's see how these look. The combination of these colors in person makes it look like a goldish tint. I know that's not really the color, but seeing these in person, I thought these would be very similar to like the Landmarks and the Ishayas and some of the other colorways that came before that, but you can tell the difference this time. I'm not too crazy about it, but from afar, like if you were probably looking at it from someone's foot, these would probably look pretty fire. We've got Skeleton Air Force Ones dropping today. Again, this release for me is going to be somewhat of an experiment. These sneakers are going to be really hard to get, and they're also not going to be selling for that much profit as far as the prices right now anyway. Throughout this entire release, I am only running 3 tasks on MEK AIO. Either way, my chances on copying these are close to non-existent, but we'll give it a go anyway. That was pretty close. Okay, as I expected, I didn't get anything, but holy crap, this bot is fast as hell. It just went through really smoothly without any issues. Unfortunately, the stock was way too low, but either way, this bot is looking very promising. Today we have the Off-White Jordan 5s releasing. If I'm not mistaken, only 2 websites are going to be releasing these. First come, first serve for the men's pairs at least. And that's probably going to be Kith and Nike sneakers. Therefore, I think this release is going to be pretty uneventful, being that we don't have too many chances. But I'll definitely give it a try. So I was all set up perfectly and everything on Shopify, but I was getting preload failed errors on MEK. Basically means you can't skip the queue. So I had to make a last second setup on Cyber. Thankfully, I already had the bot open, so it didn't take that long. My chances of getting these just absolutely went down by a lot. Still in the queue, and it's about to drop in 2 seconds. Fucking hell. It looks like MEK AIO did really good even without the preload tasks, but the reason why I was scrambling to get preload tasks is because every time I have ever hit on Kith, where I hit like super duper fast, I've always used preload. Maybe Kith did something with the anti-bot today, I'm not exactly sure, but apparently the queues were absolutely eternal. But I definitely should have trusted in their safe and extra safe modes, which absolutely killed it today. No way! Oh my god, I got one. First ever W on TSB. Another one. What the hell? What is happening, dude? And just like that, another one. That was freaking sick. So a good little warm up before the mochas for tomorrow, which I have to set up for. We'll see how we end up doing on the next episode.